Hello there everyone, my name is Korak, and for a long time now I was looking for a good smartwatch that will help me keep track on my fitness levels but is also very stylish. That's when I came across this one, the MI Smart Band 5. Let me tell you more about it. The 1.1-inch full-touch AMOLED color display on this smart band is a great look and easy to read. It has a 125 mAh battery that runs up to 14 days on a single charge. It has magnetic hassle-free charging and a PAI, Personal Activity Intelligence, that is a single matrix to track all your fitness-related activities. It can track 11 professional sports modes including yoga and rope skipping. The band also features run-on-the-go tracking with automatic activity detection for running and walking. The MI Smart Band is also 5 ATM water resistant and recognizes swimming mode. The band has a stress monitoring feature with guided breathing exercises to lower stress levels. It also includes women health monitoring features such as menstrual cycle tracking and notifications. Having used it for the last 2 weeks, I can safely say that this one brings in versatile features and is also high on style. Give it a try yourself.